Following precise metallurgical correction, the molten metal is transferred to advanced centrifugal casting machines. Inside a rapidly rotating mold, centrifugal force distributes the metal uniformly along the inner surface, creating the pipe's cylindrical form. This process ensures consistent wall thickness, excellent dimensional accuracy, and a dense, structurally sound casting with dependable mechanical strength. The result is a robust ductile iron pipe engineered for reliable performance across demanding water infrastructure applications.